So before I go into some details showing you how to build your own flows, I'd like to show you what the end flows are going to look like once you have what a trading flow actually looks like. And probably the best one to demonstrate with is the buy crypto portfolio, which I have here. I'm going to close the palette node because I have all the nodes that I need just to give myself a little more space. And what I'm going to do here is to assemble a portfolio of cryptos. So what happens here in the first node, I actually have a list, a comma-separated list of all the crypto symbols that I want to buy. There's 17 of them there. The split node's going to send them one at a time. And in this node, I'm actually limiting it so that I send them once per second. You can see one message per second, so that I don't overwhelm Alpaca. Now this is an Alpaca endpoint for getting the price of a particular crypto. So as I send each symbol to Alpaca, I'm going to get a price back of what the current price is. And I need to know that so that I know what I want to do is build a portfolio where every crypto is evenly weighted. In fact, in this particular case, I'm going to build a portfolio with $5,000 of each of the 17 cryptos. This is called a function node, and this defines the values that we're going to send to Alpaca. This is the Alpaca endpoint for processing orders. And then if there's any errors in this node will report back to me saying that there's some problems in terms of getting that Alpaca wasn't able to process the orders. So simply to make this buy, I simply click the inject node, and you can see here in the debug node, each crypto is being bought. And you can see there's a symbol, the quantity that's being bought, it's actually the price divided by $5,000. And there's a time and force. If you've done trading before, you have these various order types that you have to use. For buying cryptos, you use GTC. So that's it. So I just bought a portfolio. That's how easy it is once this thing's running. And as you go forward, you'll learn how to customize this to use different tickers. But this particular flow, now I'd like to see what did I actually buy. If I click here, this will bring me a list of every crypto that I bought. So you can see there's quite a bit of detail that's returned from the positions query. This is another Alpaca endpoint. And you can see I'm getting back the market value, the cost basis, the unrealized profit, the unrealized PLPC, which is the percent profit, and then this is all time, and then this would be for intraday. So these are values that are being sent back to me from Alpaca, and it shows me what my quantity that I'm holding here. The values here are actually very useful if you want to track the performance throughout the day. That's what this particular flow does. So I could set this up to run every let's say every 3 seconds, because I want to, and note that when I make a change, I have to deploy that. So this then shows the performance of these tickers. So I've made a little bit of money on most of them. I lost a little money here. And then this is the percentage gain here. And by clicking here, I can turn that off. And as I say, I can set this to run every 3 seconds. I'd have to turn it on, but it'll update every 3 seconds. So that's on a repeat. And then I don't want to hold on to these. I just was doing this for demonstration. So with this flow, this allows me to sell everything that I'm holding. Again, working very similarly to what this is. It has it's limiting one message per second, and it's getting the position. And it's generating any error messages if there are any. So that's what a working, what we call this a synthetic portfolio. One of the nice things about Machine Trader's Node-RED implementations is very, very easy to build synthetic portfolios of whatever you're interested in. And then you can optimize those portfolios throughout the day, using statistics like this. So when you know what the performance is, you can get rid of the worst performers at the end of the day or any time throughout the day. So you can use these numbers to decide to optimize your portfolio. Let me take a moment to remind you that at Machine Trader, we're not financial advisors. The content in this course and on our platform and website are for educational purposes only. To make the best financial decisions that suit your own needs, you must conduct your own research and seek the advice of a licensed financial advisor if necessary. Note that all investments involve some form of risk, and there's no guarantee that you'll be successful in making, saving, or investing money, nor is there any guarantee that you won't experience any loss when investing. Always remember to make smart decisions and do your own research, and test those algorithms carefully.